Delivering 100 million people out of poverty in the next 10 years. That's the target the Buhari administration has set for itself. The government has introduced several policies to address poverty, but slow economic recovery, rising food costs and heightened insecurity are stalling its plans.
We had challenges in areas that have insurgency. Also some areas in the country recently that had security challenges. We had some of those challenges, so that is a fact. But we still managed to do a few things.
The Special Public Works Program was started to cater for 774,000 poor and unemployed Nigerians, but it experienced a number of hiccups along the way.
We discovered that many persons also wanted to defraud the federal government, and that was a good thing we decided on the BVN. After a check of all the names, before we authorized payments, and payments would have started in January, we discovered that you had a situation where 5 different names on the list of a local government, we have one BVN account appearing in those 5 different names.
The Nigerian government says the program is now back on course and reported to be largely successful.
We achieved about 60% of the 774,000 as of this morning. I repeat the figure, we paid 413,630 persons as of this morning. And all of these people have received 60,000 naira each. And the total we have paid, this 413,000 is 24,817,800 naira.
This will now be a yearly project aimed at reaching more Nigerians.
This is one of the various programs that the government will be implementing every year. So in fact, we have approved it. Depending on availability of funds, it will now become a bi-yearly or yearly affair every year now. So people will always wait, they will come into these nets, those who could not benefit from it this time around. But 413,000 Nigerians have been paid. That's a huge number still.
There are predictions the crisis caused by COVID-19 pandemic will push more than 11 million people into poverty by next year. The question now is, what can be done to stop this? Eghosa Igunbor, Arise News.